Hello children, welcome back to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 and 6 from exercise 11.1 chapter 11 perimeter and area. In question number 5, the question is given that the area of a square park is same as the area of a rectangular park. Area The area of a square park is same as the area of a rectangular park, and also given that side of the square park is 60. So if side you know, then you can find the area of it is area of the square park, that is 60 into 60, side into side. So area also you can find out, and length of the rectangular park is given. By the help of this length and area, we can find the breadth of the rectangular park. How you can find it easily? See, as it is given that area of the square park is equal to area of the rectangular park, so you can write it in this way: area of the square park is equal to area of the rectangular park. And area of the square park, you know, the sides are given side into side, 60 into 60, and area of the rectangular park, that is length, you know, 90, length 90, and breadth we don't know, which you have to find out. So we can write that 6 into 60 into 63 is 600 is equal to 90b, which we will change this side now, 90b, because the variable is in the we have to find the value of the variable, and variable should be in the left side, 3600. Therefore we can write in this way also: area of the rectangular park is equal to area of the square park. Then you know, no need to change the side, but the both the cases it will be same only. B is equal to 3600 divided by 90. 0 you can change, 3 and 9 fours are 36, and 0. Therefore breadth of the rectangular park is equal to 40 meter. Understood? Come to the next sum. In question number 6, a wire is in the shape of a rectangle. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Wire in the shape of a rectangle means its perimeter. They are talking about the perimeter. The shape of the wire is taken as a boundary, and it looks like a rectangle. The wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. In that case, its length will be 40 centimeter, and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent and make it a square, make the shape of it rebent in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side of the square? What will be the measure of each side? That means perimeter of the rectangle will be same as perimeter of the square. Why? Because the length of the boundary of the rectangle is in the where is in the shape of a square here, shape of a rectangle here. In that case, length and breadth we know. If length and breadth we know, we can easily find out the perimeter of the rectangle. The same where is rebent and make this same where we are making as a square. So the boundary of the square we know, because the boundary of this one is same as boundary of this one. So by finding this, when we know the perimeter of the square, it is very easy to find the side, because 4 into side is equal to perimeter. So 4 into side is equal to perimeter. So side we will find out step by step. Now what you have to find out, also find which shape encloses more area. Okay, that will be also we will find out afterwards. First of all, solution of this sum: the area of the rectangle, the perimeter of the rectangle, length is equal to 40 centimeter, breadth is equal to 22 centimeter. Therefore length of the wire means the perimeter of the rectangle. perimeter of the rectangle 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 40 plus 22 centimeter equal to 2 into 62 centimeter, that is 2 to the 4, 6 to the 12, 124 centimeter. Now we can understand the perimeter of the square also 124 centimeter. So because this length is riband and make a square here, so perimeter of the square also of the square is equal to 124 centimeter, and you know perimeter of the square means 4 into side is equal to 124 centimeter. Now side of the square if we want to find out now, then 124 by 4, 4 3s are 4 1s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, therefore side of the square is equal to 31 centimeter. Now area of the rectangle and area of the square. Now area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, where length is 40, breadth is 22, it is given here. Centimeter square 880, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8 and 0 0 centimeter square, and area of the square equal to side into side, area of the square equal to side into side, that is side is here 31 into 31 centimeter square, multiply this to 31 into 31, 961 centimeter square, to the rough work in the right side of your copy. So it is very clear that which area is more, which shape encloses more area. It is 880 centimeter square, it is 961 centimeter square. Therefore square, which shape encloses what was the question? Find which shape encloses. So square encloses where encloses more area. Square encloses this is the answer only. And what is the side of the square also, this was another question, so it is also one answer. So hope this sums will be easy for you, but you need to practice. Thank you students.